Hello friends, are you looking for the best golf bags? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best golf bags that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Eagle Superlight Golf Cart Bag. Don't let the low cost of this bag cause you to think they aren't worthy of your attention. It's surprisingly hardy and has plenty of storage space, all in an incredibly lightweight package. The lightweight design is a particularly strong point for these bags. It almost makes them a perfect middle ground if you're unsure if you'd like a stand bag or cart bag. The only overt issue is the lack of an actual stand and carry straps. Yet, this is the perfect bag if you have a reliable push cart. Its lightweight nature means you can load and unload your clubs out of the car and into your cart with no issues. The sizable pockets compete with golf bags that cost twice as much. The cooler pocket is a standout. It's huge and has room for lunch and a drink for 2 people. If your budget is tight, you probably wouldn't want to overlook these bags. Pros. Very light, only 7 pounds. Substantial cooler pocket. Easy grab handles. Cons. Less durable than more expensive bags. Number 2. Izzo Ultralight Stand Golf Bag. This bag is so light that you could probably pick it up with your hands and carry it for 9 holes. The smart grip handles would make that pretty easy too. Yet, we recommend using the ergonomic shoulder straps that come with the bag instead. You may not expect to see full-length dividers in such a light and budget-friendly golf bag. But, the Izzo Ultralight has them. The only downfall is that it's only a 4-way divider. There are also only 4 pockets. These bags make up for that by adding other clever storage options like an umbrella holder and built-in rain hood. The classic saying, "You get what you pay for," applies here in terms of extra features. However, these bags are just as durable as bags that cost twice as much. The lack of additional features also helps to save weight. So, it's up to you if you'd like to trade storage space and features for a cheap, reliable, and lightweight golf stand bag. If so, this is likely the best budget golf bag for you. Pros. Extremely light. Full-length dividers. Smart grip handles. Cons. Not many pockets. Number 3. TaylorMade 8.0 Golf Bag. One potential drawback of choosing a cart bag over a carry bag is that they sometimes fall off your push cart. TaylorMade counteracts this problem with the Pro Cart 8.0 bag by including a key lockable base. Combining this system with a compatible cart allows it to lock in. That means bumps and shocks in the course shouldn't cause you any headaches. However, the key lock system also means that these bags lack a cart strap loophole. So, if you have an older push cart and intend to continue to use it, this bag may not be the right choice for you. The TaylorMade Pro Cart has ample space to fit even the most avid golfer's clubs. With a 14-way divider including an oversized putter well, there's no way you'll run out of space. The same goes for the pockets. There's even a removable XL ball pocket. As the pockets are forward-facing, you'll have no trouble getting to any of your essential gear. There's also a waterproof pocket and rain protection to protect your electronics. This is an overall fantastic golf bag that comes at a fair price. While it's a little more expensive than a budget pick, it makes up for it with features and storage capacity. Pros. Huge club space. Optional shoulder strap. Rain protection. Cons. No slot for a cart strap. Number 4. Datrek DG Lite 2 Cart Bag. The most important part of a push cart bag is the availability of handles to get the bag onto the cart. The Datrek DG Lite 2 Cart Bag has perfectly located 2 handles on the top of the bag which also protect clubs from dings. The top of the bag is angled, making it great for riding carts but in a way that works well on push carts. You can arrange your clubs any way you choose with a 15-way divider. Each club has its own place to avoid club crowding. All the pockets face the way you need them, whether on your push cart or buggy. There are 7 pockets. The well-lined valuables pocket means you can throw your phone in there without worries about scratches, and with the waterproof zip, no chance of water getting into your keys and wallet. What do we like? Lots of colors to choose from. Top handles for easy loading and unloading. Putter well accommodates thick putter grips. Very lightweight 4.25 pounds. Vented cooler pockets. Number 5. Founders Club Franklin Golf Cart Bag. The Founders Club Franklin Cart Bag is a perfect solution for the golfer looking to walk more but doesn't want to break the bank on a brand new golf bag. The Founders Club Franklin Cart Bag is an excellent solution as it has 15-way full-length dividers and plenty of space for all of your golf gear. The bag has a total of 9 zipper pockets, and although they are not all forward-facing, the majority of them will be. There is also a putter well with front access to make it easy to grab your favorite club from the bag when it is needed. Overall, we like the organizational features and the impressive pricing of this Founders Club Franklin Cart Bag. The total weight is only 5.5 pounds, and there are several colors available to choose from. It's hard to go wrong with what this bag has to offer. Pros: durable construction. Zipper pockets with plenty of storage. Has an umbrella holder and golf towel holder. Cons: no magnetic closure pockets. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.